Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Flokifork coin. Ticker symbol is fork. Now this is a brand new fork coin. I mean, we've had many fork coins come out in the past, many pork coins, all sorts of different forks and porks, and now we got Flokifork, who's getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 5th. We're going to go over a couple of different ways to get this token here and the info on this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a fairly new token here, and it's getting a couple central exchange listings. And also, we'll talk about a decentralized way to get this token. But first of all, it was just announced that this token will be listed March 5th at 4 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Poloniex. So tomorrow you'll be able to download Poloniex from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol fork, and then simply just buy the token. Now on their webpage, it also says that this token is available on Toobit, which is kind of another like tier 3 central exchange. But let's say Poloniex or even Toobit is not available in your area because certain central exchanges are not available in everybody's country. You can get this token off of Uniswap. And it is available now off of Uniswap. So you can get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Flokifork token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, flokifork.com. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll go over that in a second here. You can also find the contract address on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, or their Etherscan, which is on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. Now, this token already has a fully diluted valuation of a little bit over $10.5 million, and their market cap is over $9.5 million. 24-hour trading volume today is $1.4 million. They have a total and max supply of 10 trillion tokens and a circulating supply of a little bit over 9 trillion tokens. So on CoinGecko and on their webpage, you can find Medium articles. You can find the Telegram, Twitter, all sorts of links. All these links to their places to buy the token is on their webpage as well. Their Telegram is at Floki_portal and has 957 subscribers. You can click preview channel on there, and you can check out what the Telegram looks like. And their Etherscan says so far they have 2,394 holders. And there is 18 decimal places on this token. Now, if you go over to their webpage, you're going to find all their links there, along with a meme generator, different memes you can check out because it's a meme token. Links to buy, chart. This is a DEX tools chart it'll take you to. And the cool thing about DEX tools is you can check out a couple different quick audits on DEX tools as well. So we'll have a look at that in a second to see if there's any warnings, any security risks on this token here. So we'll have a look at that. Keep in mind those are just quick audits and not full audits though. tokenomics are on their webpage, and they also have something that says join the flippening. So all these meme coins are trying to flip other meme coins like Doge and Pepe and Shiba Inu, etc. Flokifork, the pork killer. So this token's trying to flip the pork coin, which is, I believe, the original one where all these tokens started doing, other homages to that pork coin. So we will tell the tale of Flokifork and how he and his pork Vikings, or pink Vikings, community conquered all the challenges before them. The pink Viking dog Flokifork has faced perilous storms of tax tokens, FUD rugs, and porks and attacks on those who want to discredit him, but he stands victorious. The pink Viking dog Flokifork, Elon Musk's very own pink Shiba Inu, and his pink Viking crew faced challenges ever since they set sail. The first challenge they faced was the taxed token Floki, designed by a rogue developer who had snuck onto the project and on Fork's ship and wanted to tax a token. No real meme token is taxed. This traitorous developer designed a slow rug with tax, but the pink Viking warrior Flokifork resisted and said no to taxes. So I'm guessing that there is no taxes on this token. It may be 0.5 slippage at the most if you are going to buy this token off of Uniswap. So the pink Viking warrior Flokifork resisted and said no to taxes. Flokifork's loyal community, the Pink Fork Vikings, protected Fork from the traitor developer. They cast him away from the project and took control. No more tax tokens, yelled the Pink Viking army. Pink Flokifork's Vikings, our spears are sharpened, our shields are set, our ships are ready to sail. Prepare, glorious Vikings, to Valhalla we go. And so they have Valhalla news. So they have, it looks like, 4 different news articles that you could check out on Medium so far. Now they have different milestones, so listing on Poloniex, and then Toobit listings, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, different updates, more Telegram members, more holders, all sorts of info there. And then they have a bunch of memes you can check out on their page. You could use their meme generator if you want. So they're trying to flip the original pork token. They show you step-by-step how to buy on their webpage. No taxes. It says burnt liquidity, fair launch, no team tokens. And then, yeah, you can check out their socials. So check out their Twitters in the corner of the screen there. Their Twitter basically has all the links, webpage, Telegram, at forkcoin_ETH on Twitter. 244 tweets you can check out, blue verified checkmark. And in their pinned tweet, they have CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap links as well that you could check out. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about Flokifork? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.